Hello everybody, this is Danish Rafiq and in this video we will talk about the latest notifications for undergraduates 6th, 5th, 4th, 3rd, 2nd and 1st semester students of University of Jammu. Due to COVID-19 pandemic and as per the UGC guidelines issued from time to time, the University of Jammu has taken the following measures to protect the academic interests of its students. Undergraduate 6th semester examination of BA, BSc, BCom, BBA, BCA, BCom honors etc. CBCS and non-CBCS with 60% relaxation in the syllabus on the basis of open choice pattern were conducted and results stand declared. The result of private students of intermediate semesters of UG course 2nd and 4th semester CBCS and non-CBCS have already been declared, whereas results of regular students of 2nd and 4th semester is under compilation and is expected to be declared shortly. However, candidates of these semesters have been backlogs in previous semesters have to appear in the examinations to be conducted by the university to clear the backlog papers. Students of undergraduate 5th semester supplementary examination 2019 CBCS and non-CBCS, which examinations could not be held during the month of June and July 2020 due to COVID-19 lockdown restrictions, were passed by awarding minimum pass marks in the backlog papers of the said semester, enabling them to apply for the admission to PG program. Students who had cleared all the semesters and were reappear in one paper only either of first or third semester have been treated as passed by awarding minimum pass marks in the backlog paper. Any student not satisfied with the criteria of awarding minimum pass marks has been given the option to appear in the first or third semester examination as the case may be, which shall commence from 16th of February 2021. Such a student shall however be awarded best of two scores, that is the minimum marks awarded to pass him or her in the said semester or the marks which will be secured by him or her in the examination to be conducted by the University of Jammu as per the recommendations of the principals of colleges located in winter zone. Undergraduate first semester CBCS regular winter zone and all private candidates and third semester CBCS private candidates shall be held from 16th of February 2021 on open choice pattern, and the candidates shall have to attempt 40% of questions only. Now, therefore, the academic standards laid down by the university cannot be compromised by providing promotion at each stage of 3-year degree course, which will adversely impact the career of the students. As such, all the students are advised to remain in touch with the university website www.coeju.com for regular updates pertaining to the schedule of the examination to be conducted by university in future. So this was all about the update for the undergraduate students of University of Jammu, the students of 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th and 5th, also 6th semester students of Jammu University, in which we have updated you regarding all the latest happenings, all the latest events which took place during recent times. And if you want any more update from our YouTube channel, you can subscribe our you can press the bell icon to get the notification for our latest videos. Thank you.